What's up, guys? This is Mox, and I am here at Amadeo Cavite, and I'm gonna be doing another wedding reception. It's been a crazy day. It's been pouring since this morning, and alam nyo kung anong araw ngayon. It's Hearts Day. So happy Valentine's Day for everybody except for me, kasi syempre nandito ako and I have to work, but that's okay. I'm gonna be doing this as an extra special day with the couple's blessing. A job is always a blessing, and I'm really excited to bring this really nice program that I've curated for the couple. We got Bri and Marie. Dito gagawin ko ulit yung program na sinasabi ko that will make things a little bit faster. It's a bit unconventional and it's hard for most people to grasp yung style ng program nito kasi it's basically inverted. What do I mean by inverted? It's not your conventional program start, introductions, then dinner at the middle, and then SDE at the end, and then you close the program. Hindi lang sanay yung mga tao, pati yung mga coordinators, medyo napakamot sila ng ulo na, bakit ganito yung program? You won't be able to witness it as is. Dahil syempre, hindi ko naman makukunan yung buong video. If we start the program with the grand entrance, it builds the hype up to its highest point. Kasi ang pinaka-celebration na to ay inaabangan ng mga guests ang newlyweds. So we start by introducing them first as their grand entrance, the great reveal. Now again, it's a bit weird because we're not used to it. We're used to the host warming up a little bit to the crowd, introducing the entourage, introducing the parents, introducing the sponsors, and then the grand entrance. It's a little different because you invert the peak. As opposed to the conventional one, you try to hype it up as it pumps into a more energetic vibe as we meet the newlyweds. At the middle, we have the dinner. And like I said, since this is a bit unconventional, iniba din natin yan. Ang dinner ay mangyayari right after the program ends. The program will run continuously until it hits dinner time. And after that, the couple and the guests can mingle and it goes straight to partying. Diba napaka-convenient if you guys are not sitting through a 3-hour program, eating dinner, and then may kasunod pa ulit. We are just not used to this kind of setup, and we are just not used to this type of program. Times are changing. The suppliers are thinking of new ways on how to sell their talents and skills and their business, and so am I. Natapos na ang ating program. Nagsimula po tayo a little past 7, and it's now 8:44 or 8:45 na sabihin natin. So that's more or less an hour 40. That's how long the program went. Maraming salamat sa Stat Events for the assist. And of course, everybody, pati ang ating photo video team, Arts and Vows Photo Cinema. Superb. It's very artistic, and just for a short amount of time to edit, they were able to produce a really nice output. Not only for photo, but also video. Magkasama po sila packaged as one. I think overall, maganda ang outcome ng ating event tonight. If you would like to have this type of program, short and efficient but still memorable, contact me. My name is Mox De Vera and I'm a professional host. See you on my next video.